Hello everyone. Welcome to the Health Tech Explorers channel. Today we are starting a new series of videos about machine learning. In this video, we will explain what machine learning is, how it works, and how it is used in medicine and healthcare. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Instead of giving the machine every command manually, we train it by showing examples. In the world of machine learning, there are many methods, each with its own features and applications. The choice of the appropriate method depends on the task, the type of data we have, and the goal we want to achieve. For example, if we have labeled data with known correct answers, we can use supervised learning. If we have a lot of data that is unlabeled, unsupervised learning methods might be more suitable. We like the following classification of 7 types of learning. The 3 main types are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Additionally, there are 4 other types: semi-supervised learning, hybrid learning, instance-based learning, and ensemble learning. Now let's dive a bit deeper into each type of learning with examples from medicine. Supervised learning. In this case, we provide the algorithm with a dataset where the correct answers are already known. The machine learns from these examples and tries to identify patterns that help it make accurate predictions for new, unseen data. Example in medicine. Algorithms can use historical patient data, such as blood test results or X-rays, to predict diagnoses. For instance, we can train a model on patient data labeled with a pneumonia diagnosis to help it recognize the disease in new X-ray images and assist doctors in making diagnoses. Unsupervised learning. Here there are no predefined correct answers. The model itself identifies patterns in the data, such as grouping objects by similarity. Example in medicine. In medical data analysis, clustering can be used to group patients with similar symptoms or test results. This can help identify unknown diseases or target groups of people needing specialized care. Reinforcement learning. This is a method where the model learns through trial and error. The algorithm takes actions and then receives rewards or penalties, depending on how correct its decision was. It learns from its mistakes and aims to repeat actions that led to positive outcomes. Example in medicine. Reinforcement learning can be used in robotic surgery, where the algorithm learns to select the best strategies for performing operations, minimizing risks, and improving outcomes. It can also be applied to developing treatment methods, where AI learns from historical patient data to optimize treatment plans. Semi-supervised learning. This method combines supervised and unsupervised learning. We only have partial data labels. For example, a few hundred labeled data points and millions of unlabeled ones. This approach is widely used in medicine, where medical images may be only partially labeled, but this method allows most of the data to be used effectively to train models. Hybrid learning. This combines different learning methods to leverage the strengths of each. In medicine, hybrid models can combine machine learning algorithms with expert systems for more accurate predictions. For instance, diagnosing diseases where machine learning analyzes data and the expert system interprets the results. Instance-based learning. This approach makes predictions based on examples from the training dataset that are similar to the new input data. In medicine, this method can be used to predict disease progression based on similar medical histories. Ensemble learning. This method involves combining several models to improve prediction accuracy. In medicine, ensemble methods can help with clinical decision-making, such as predicting disease risks by integrating multiple data sources, for example, medical histories, test results, and imaging data. Each of these methods can be used to solve various healthcare challenges, from diagnosing diseases and processing medical images to creating personalized treatment plans and monitoring patients' health. In the next videos, we will take a closer look at each of these methods and their real-world applications in medicine. Subscribe to the Health Tech Explorers channel so you don't miss the next parts of our series on machine learning in healthcare.